Hey guys, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. Today we're going to learn how to play You Never Can Tell by Chuck Berry, kind of a dueling pianos version. Let's take a listen to the very beginning. All right guys, so this is kind of a boogie woogie Chuck Berry type lesson. And if you'll, on YouTube, if you'll search for You Never Can Tell dueling pianos, you'll see two guys that are playing. They're right and left of each other, and they're just playing back and forth. And what I've done in this arrangement is combine the best of what they're doing, so you get all kinds of piano solos, all kind of blues licks to do, while getting to play an awesome song by Chuck Berry. It's a real treat if you like blues music and you like Chuck Berry. Well, guys, welcome to webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm here to help you how to do. All right, so as we get into this lesson series, this is not for beginners. So if you are a beginner, don't ruin piano for yourself and music by trying something that's too hard. If you need some beginner lessons, I have those on my website. If you go to the top of the page, click WPT University. There's my all-new piano lesson series. Start you from square one, teach you everything you need to know, build you up a little at a time with things that you can do, so you kind of build that confidence and build your skill level at an even pace. Okay? Then if you're ready for this kind of thing, let's jump into it. So Chuck Berry here. Lots of neat piano stuff. This was a really fun arrangement to do. So this is just something the guitar does at the very beginning of the YouTube video. And I thought, let's include that. So C, A up high. Here's middle C, we're up here. C, A, a sixth. Then I take my fingers and move them down just a bit to B natural and A flat. Da, dum, ba, bum. And then B flat, G, move them down a little more. So we're doing this. We're doing chromatic descending sixths, if you want to be technical about it. So bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. And then we hit F with an accent. See that accent mark there in the staccato? Bum, dum. And then we'll hit a C7 chord. E, G, B flat, C in the right, 1, 2, 3, 5, or 1, 2, 4, 5 with that octave on the left. So it's, and then we have a, so here is the place where we're going to learn a blues thing right quick in the right hand before we wrap up this part one. And again, the lessons for this whole thing. If you listen to that YouTube video, you'll hear all that we're going to be learning. F, A, C, and I got a little hook on the A. And that means we're going to do a little blues flip from the G sharp with our two finger. So it's really not playing the G sharp first. You really play them all together, the F, the A, the C, and the G sharp. But you flick that two finger up in the air, and it gives us the blues sound. Okay, that's really how you do it. And then you have F, B flat, D with 1, 3, 5, back down to F, A, C with the blues flip. Okay, so it's... All right, now there's a couple of ways you can do this when we get into the lessons. One is just playing that left hand F octave, but I also show you how to do a bass line. All right, so we'll learn how to do a left hand as well. Okay, but that's that little blues device. See, back and forth. So a lot of blues stuff does that, just between those two chords. All right, let's play from the beginning again. Here we go. Bum, bum. All right. So as we get into lesson two, of course, am more detailed on showing you how to play the rhythm there, how to do that left-hand blues bass line if you want to do it. All right, but it's for an advanced level student, so make sure that you're up there to that level if you're going to give it a try. Maybe you just want to try, a couple of lines instead of doing the whole thing. Sometimes it's fun just to try parts of songs. Don't feel like you're a failure just because you're going to learn part of a song, because everything you learn, even if it's a part, is going to build you as a musician. It's going to make you progress as a musician. So just because it's part of a song doesn't matter. Say, I'll learn this as much till I get bored, and then I'm going to try, a different song maybe. So it's okay to try, pieces of songs. It's also great to finish a song as well. So you have to set yourself up for success in that way, and set your goals and ones that you can reach. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this part one lesson. Again, all of these are on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.